alright.
To my channel. Today's video is going to be all about Goodnessme box. I'm very excited for this video because I've had this for a few days now and I've wanted to eat everything inside it for so long, but I've been holding off until I've had a chance to film this video because I've literally been working like every day this week. I'm back at work now, but I got this delivered a few days ago. So I'm very excited to share with you what's inside. This is my second Goodnessme box. My first one was last month. Popped a picture up on my Instagram of everything that was inside it. Last month's box was based all around gut health, so everything inside the box was things to help out with your gut, obviously. But this month's box is full of more amazing things. Very yummy food. I'm very excited to film this video because that means I can go ahead and start eating the stuff that's inside. So I do have a discount code for you guys as well. I'll pop it up on the screen and you can use this if you want to get a discount on your Goodnessme box. I will also have a link down in the description bar so you can go and check them out if you like what you see inside this one. So let's open it up and see what's inside. Okay, so inside the box it says, "This is basically the best day of the month," which is true because I get so excited now when I get my Goodnessme box delivery. Open it up. So I'm really excited about all of this stuff because the past maybe month or two I've been on a little bit of a health and fitness journey. I've been trying to improve my fitness and improve my eating and eat better foods. So this is definitely helping because every month I basically get a box of amazing foods and stuff that is good for you. So the first thing inside is a beauty collagen little drink. So this is vanilla and Kakadu plum. So this is, I've had a few of these kind of collagen drinks before. So basically it helps reduce fine lines and wrinkles, increases skin hydration, supports hair, skin and nails. Collagen for healthy bones and joints. It's a great source of protein and amino acids. The next thing we have are these pods. These came in last month's box as well, except they were rosemary flavor. These are yogurt covered roasted chickpeas. And these are vanilla and cinnamon, so these sound amazing. Last month's were really good, so I'm super excited to try these as well. There's 2 servings in 1 pack for those ones. And then we have the Tribe Porridge. So there's the original and then there's mango, goji and chia, which sounds really good. I really love porridge, especially now. It is June right now, so it is pretty cold here in Sydney. So when I wake up in the morning, during summer I was having like a lot of smoothies and smoothie bowls and stuff, but in winter a nice porridge is definitely a good thing to have for breakfast. I will be posting on my Instagram stories when I try these things out. I have my Instagram handle here and it'll be linked down in the description bar as well, so if you want to see what these guys taste like, then head over to my Instagram and keep an eye on my stories. The next thing is the Macro Mike Almond Scrumptionator. That is such a cool name for a bar. So this is basically an almond protein snack bar. I've heard a lot of good things about Macro Mike. There was a protein powder in last month's box. I haven't tried it yet, just haven't had the chance really. But I've heard good things about Macro Mike, so keen to try this. I'm gonna say that about everything. So the next one is No Way Hot Chocolate, gut friendly collagen and magnesium. So it's another collagen drink. Just like a hot chocolate that's good for you. The next thing is this granola. This would be something good to just like throw in my handbag and have while I'm at work. It something to snack on. It's oat bran, almonds, sunflower seeds, pumpkin seeds, hazelnuts, sesame seeds, sunflower oil, walnuts, coconut, maple syrup, brown sugar, and brown rice syrup. So all natural, all vegan. Okay, this I'm really excited for because again, they had one of these in last month's box, but it was a different flavor. Last month's flavor was lemon slice, and it was so good. It was amazing. And this is white chocolate macadamia, and that just sounds like heaven to me. So I'm super excited to try this one out. And then we've got, I think, two more food things, and then we've got a few drinks in here as well. So this is really, really interesting because I've never ever seen these before. Pink salt and pepper popped water lily seeds. So I'm assuming it's just like popcorn. I have no idea what a water lily seed is. I've never heard of it, but I'm assuming they would taste nice because the picture on the front looks really good. All of the ingredients and everything is super simple as well. Like it's literally popped water lily seeds, rice bran oil, Himalayan pink salt, black pepper, onion powder, and garlic powder. Okay, so the last food item, which I think I'm probably most excited for. Yeah, definitely most excited for these. So these are crispy rice clouds, and the flavor is sriracha sass, and I love some sriracha. So really excited to try these. There's 2 servings per pack, and this is a big bag, so that makes me really happy that I can eat a lot in one serving. But they're literally just like rice cakes, but a mini version. So we have a blueberry black tea. So it says fresh breath and healthy smiles. So maybe what's it says? We are all about healthy drinks with science-backed ingredients like xylitol and grapeseed extract for functionality and healthy smiles. I don't know if I pronounced that ingredient right. It's XYLITOL. I have some kombucha. I never used to like kombucha, but I always try to drink it because I know that it's good for your gut. So I don't drink it that often. This is blackberry flavor. There was a drink in last month's box that was amazing. The brand was Nextbar, and it was like a passion fruit sparkling water something, and oh my god, it was so good. It literally had like 0 calories, 0 sugar, and I felt like I was drinking a soft drink. So I wonder if this will taste like that. But it says there's just 8 calories per drink, per serving. No sugar, organic acids, raw green coffee beans. Ooh. Okay, and the last item is a chai latte. So this is spiced tea and oat milk. Suitable for vegans. No refined sugar, nitro infused. The can's really cool too. I don't know, it's just, I like the packaging. And then it also comes with like discount codes and everything. So it comes with, that's all the food and drinks. So it comes with this, which has a list of everything inside. And it tells you how much everything retails for, which I think is really cool because when you buy it in the box, you obviously aren't paying as much. And they usually also include a little recipe that you can make with one of the items. So this month is for the collagen drink, or the beauty collagen, so you can make vanilla collagen pancakes, which sound amazing, which I think is really cool as well, that they have like a little recipe in there that you can use with the items that they send you. And then it also comes with a few like discount codes and everything. So the super cubes, which is this, you can get $20 off, and then 15% off this brand, Minor Figures, and then you can also get 20% off the Tribe protein porridge. But I wanted to share this with you guys because it is something that I really love and am excited to keep receiving and using, because everything in this box just looks and sounds so amazing. So I'm really excited to get into all of this stuff. Again, I do have a discount code for you guys, which I'll pop up on the screen, and I'll also link it down in the description bar, and I'll have the link to Goodnessme box and everything down there. All of my social media links will also be linked down there, so definitely go and check those out if you want to see me taste testing all of this stuff. And keep an eye out for any other Goodnessme box related content. Don't forget to subscribe if you aren't already, and click the notification bell. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.